Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locating the exact list container and confirming you want to remove only the bullet marker, not the text. Use an editor or the browser dev tools to inspect the ul, all, or lone lie. Once you see the structure, make sure to note any classes or ID so styles apply precisely. You do this because changing structure later breaks layout. Preserving inner text keeps content intact, while isolating the marker removal for styling or scripting steps that follow. You now remove the marker visually by adding a non-destructive style. Target the specific list selector, for example. My list style, none, padding left, 0, so only that list loses bullets. This preserves semantics for screen readers. Once applied, adjust margin or padding to align text. If you need to keep indentation, use padding left or a left border instead. You perform styling changes rather than chopping nodes so content, accessibility, and layout remain intact. To finalize, polish with marker or before if you need fine control or animations. For example, marker content, none works where supported. If older browsers require use list style, none, plus resetting margins. Make sure to retain tags and add area roles if semantics matter. You should test across browsers and responsive breakpoints to confirm no layout shift. If bullets still show, clear caches and check cascading rules. Specificity or inherited styles often cause conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.